Everyone thought it was over. But legends never truly die. Welcome inside the heart of American muscle's high-tech rebirth. A new evolution. A four-door beast designed for the future. It starts here. 40,000 pounds of pure industrial potential. Tons of pressure forging the iconic lines of the next generation. Every curve is measured. Every millimeter must be perfect. Steel meets precision. Hundreds of welds per minute, flawlessly executed, reinforcing the core to handle immense torque and power. Strength verified. This frame is ready for the open road. Every microscopic particle is removed. A pristine surface is life or death for luxury paint. A magnetic bond. This electro dip ensures the steel never rusts, lasting a lifetime. Robotic precision sealing every joint. Silence and dry comfort start right here. Trained eyes and human touch. Not a single imperfection survives this stage. Finally, the color. A deep, metallic crimson that defines the 2028 spirit. Microscopic metallic flakes, designed to catch the light at every single angle. The final shield. A diamond-hard clear coat for that iconic, deep wet look. Total digital verification. Every square inch is scanned for absolute perfection. 180 degrees. Curing the paint for maximum durability and strength. Rumors of its death were exaggerated. The V8 heart beats once again. 8 pistons, forged for extreme power, meeting their perfect match. The backbone of performance, perfectly balanced for high RPM thrills. Sealing in the Fury. Every bolt torqued to the exact nanometer. Timing is everything. This is where mechanical air meets explosive fire. Before a drop of fuel enters, every tolerance is verified in a virtual run. Strength meets intelligence. A 10-speed link between the engine and the road. Synthetic lifeblood. Ensuring maximum protection at 5,000 RPM. A signature of excellence. The 2028 LT2 is ready for its chassis. The foundation is set. The high-performance Alpha 2 chassis awaits its body. A perfect union. The V8 heart is officially married to the performance frame. Zero room for error. Every bolt is secured to handle relentless muscle car torque. Fuel for the fire. High-capacity lines ready to feed the V8 beast. Engineered for the track. Multi-link suspension for razor-sharp handling. A cockpit for the digital age. Cutting-edge tech meets classic driver focus. Control at your fingertips. Flat-bottom design for a true racing feel. Luxury in every stitch. Adrenaline red leather for the ultimate interior vibe. Concert-quality sound. A Bose system tuned for the open road. The moment of truth. Body meets bone in the ultimate assembly. Crystal clear vision.
Acoustic glass to keep the cabin whisper quiet.
12 points of contact, secured with aerospace-grade precision. No gaps, no rattles. Every door is aligned to a fraction of a millimeter. The face of a legend. Aggressive, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Camaro.
Intelligence meets the eye. Adaptive LEDs ready to pierce the dark.
Forged for the track. The first time this beast stands on its own. Downforce by design. Crafted in carbon fiber for high-speed stability.
High-octane lifeblood. The countdown to ignition has begun.
3, 2, 1. Power on. The digital soul is now alive.
It's not just metal and fuel. This is the moment we upload its digital soul. Perfect alignment. 4 wheels, 4 lasers, 0 room for error on the track. Unleashing the beast. This is the first time its full power is verified.
A signature sound. Measuring the perfect growl of the 2028 V8. A simulated Monsoon. 0 tolerance for leaks, ensuring absolute weather protection. A final audit from below. Confirming structural integrity one last time. Track-ready active suspension. Perfectly calibrated for luxury and raw performance. Surgical stopping power. Verifying the immense force of the massive Brembo system. Software verified. System locked. This beast is now secure.
From theory to reality. This is the moment a machine becomes a legend. Not a speck of dust. Luxury means absolute perfection, inside and out. The final touch. The iconic shield, ready for its new owner. The smell of success. A custom fragrance designed for the modern muscle era. Invisible glass. Engineered for a clear view of the road ahead.
Consistency is key. Even the parts you don't see are flawless.
Deep black contrast, setting the stage for the red metallic beast. The signature of speed. A badge earned on the track, born in the factory. Certified and ready. The specs of a legend, documented for history.
Protected for the journey. This paint stays perfect until the keys are turned.
A legend, reborn. From raw steel to American power.
Every curve engineered to match the beauty of the open road.
A sound that resonates with true muscle car DNA.
3.6 seconds to 60. Performance without compromise.
From factory floors to global streets. The future is here.
The V8 muscle car isn't dead. It's just getting started.
A radiant return. Radiant red for a radiant future.
Agility and balance. Masterfully tuned for absolute control.
Don't miss the future of muscle. Hit that subscribe button for more behind-the-scenes exclusives.